real. Most of the people just scroll through LinkedIn without using it to their advantage. There are some tricks I wish I knew earlier. So I don't want you to feel the same, so I'm going to share them. That will get you more connections, more recruiters reaching out to you. That means more job offers. So if you're interested, keep on watching. Okay, the first thing. First, you need to add right keywords to your skill sets and experience. As most of the companies use ATS, application tracking system, to know a particular candidate is suitable for the role based on the job description. Make sure whatever the keywords are mentioned in the job description, those are actually in your LinkedIn profile or not. So basically what happens, so ATS is they use, most people know that ATS is the tool recruiters use for filtering the resumes. So LinkedIn also they use ATS. So when you apply through LinkedIn Easy Apply with the Workday or some other tool, so what it does, it will parse your LinkedIn profile and it will just compare with the job description that recruiters has. So make sure whatever the job that you're looking for, so you have all the keywords in your skill set. Make sure you mention all these keywords in your skills and the experience section. And also when recruiters actually looking for the candidates, so they actually search with the keywords only which are in job description. So if you have those keywords mentioned in your profile properly, so there are high chances that you will also be listed in. And the second, so use open to work to make sure that you are visible to the recruiters. So you open to work, lot of people mention it in their profile picture, but you can also select it only for recruiters so that it will be only visible to the recruiters. Yeah, so that is very important. If recruiters are searching for the candidates, then only it will come into their field. So make sure you keep open to work for recruiters for sure. Next, setting job alerts. So when you have a list of companies that you probably want to try, so you list down all the companies, then go to LinkedIn, check for those companies and check if any job offerings available, and you can set an alert. So basically this helped me a lot. So you need to set an alert for a specific role. You need to set an alert for those companies, so whenever they post a new job in LinkedIn, you'll be notified. So if you are not very active on LinkedIn, so this will help you to notify immediately. Don't apply on LinkedIn directly. So whenever you see a post for a job offering, or you got any notification that there is a job offer in LinkedIn, so do not apply directly on LinkedIn, because lot of people apply through LinkedIn, and so the filtration will be very tough. So you do one thing, like whenever you see a job alert or offer on LinkedIn, so then you go to the company career portal and apply through that. Once you apply that, then reach out to the recruiters on LinkedIn that I have applied to this specific role. Give all the details that they require. Yes, that will help you to cross some crowd. Follow recruiters from your target companies. So a lot of recruiters post in LinkedIn profile also, so you will also be notified. And so when they post for any hiring, then you can comment, not just I am interested or anything. Provide proper details, like I am so and so, I have this is the skill set, I think this skill set suits to your job description. So politely explain everything. Some recruiters actually ask to comment if you're interested. So you can comment, and you can directly reach out to them as well. Check for hashtag hiring posts. A lot of company recruiters post directly on LinkedIn instead of raising a job post. So you can search for hashtag hiring. A lot of startups post with hashtag hiring, so you can search for hashtag hiring. This is one way of knowing more available offers out there. So even though you don't know the company, but you want to have the experience, or you want to try out, so hashtag hiring will give you a lot of open roles. be active on LinkedIn. LinkedIn algorithm will identify people mostly who are active on LinkedIn. So be active on LinkedIn. Like posts, that comment on post, do these kind of small activities on daily. At least check LinkedIn once a day, to be more active on LinkedIn. So this will help the LinkedIn algorithm to identify, this person is actually using a tool. So it will consider more active users actually, rather than people just busy not very often. So whenever you're asking for referral, don't be like, please refer me, or just a one liner that, I'm interested in this job, please refer me. So there is a so nobody cares actually if you just say that. So you need to give valid reasons, like why you think that, that referral will be would be a potential offer. So when you reach out to any employees or recruiters, then it's very important you detail explain that why you think that role is suitable for you and why you think you are interested in that role. So yeah, make sure that you provide all these details when you're asking for referral. And one more thing, when you're asking for referral, a lot of people reach out to developers, right? Uh, but but as same amount, like managers and other people also, like who are working, who are not actually developers, they are also having the similar same chances of referring people. But a lot of people reach out to developers, not to other roles. So I would highly recommend, if you can reach out to other employees who are not developers, like QAs or BAs, or managers, right? It will be very very beneficial, because for them, they might not be referring a lot of developers. So that will give you more chances of actually being referred. So try reaching out to other people also, not just devs in the company. Add your achievements to feature section. So basically, a lot of people share posts, I did this certification, or whatever their achievements are. But when recruiters search for you, so your featured section is what highlights. So if you can add your any GitHub projects you have done, or you have done any certificate, or if you have written any blog post, or you have a portfolio of your own, so you should mention all of them in your feature section. Whenever recruiter lands on your page, so they would get all the brief of all your achievements, so that there is a high potential that they'll actually reach out for interviews. Keep your activity public. So when you keep your activity public, however you are engaging with other people content, share your likes and comments will be visible to recruiters, actually visible to everyone. So whenever recruiters check your page, so they actually prefer candidates which are actually more engaging with the industry content. Whenever you are mentioning on hiring, yeah, whenever you are commenting on hiring posts, so others can also see it. So basically you'll get more visibility, and so you will also come in LinkedIn recommendations. So yeah, this is one more thing that you should do. So that's all for today's video. I hope this video is helpful. See you on the next video. Bye.